Once I got the carburetor off and the fan belt off, found out where the noise was coming from when this thing was, when the engine was running. This was knocking. Poor generator's got nothing attaching it, it's just knocking. So I'm going to take care of that, and as you can see, it's crooked anyway. You can see how the pulleys don't line up. And at the same time, we're working on the carburetors. We're going to fix the stripped out holes for the bolts for the studs, and put in the new Venturi, the new pre-atomizer.